In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use labels in Jira. Labels in Jira are a powerful tool that allows you to categorize and manage issues efficiently. They can significantly help in organizing your workflow and maintaining clear communication within your team. So let's delve into the process step by step. To begin, you need to access your project in Jira. Make sure you're logged in and navigate to the specific project where you want to work with labels. Once you're there, find the specific Jira issue that needs labeling. This issue could be a task, a bug, or any other type of work item you're dealing with. Now, when you've opened the issue, look through the issue details. What you're searching for is the labels field. This is typically located somewhere within the details section, easily accessible once you're viewing the issue. In the labels field, you can type the label you wish to assign to the issue. This could be anything from a simple word that defines the task or a tag that fits into your team's organizational structure. Keep in mind that clear and descriptive labels make it easier for everyone to understand the issue's context at a glance. After typing the desired label, press the Enter key. This action will add the label to your issue. As you're typing, you might notice that Jira starts suggesting existing labels that match the text you're inputting. This feature is very helpful for maintaining consistency across your project. It ensures you're not inadvertently creating multiple similar labels that could clutter your system instead of cleaning it. Once your labels are set, you might want to utilize them in searches. Jira Query Language, or JQL, allows you to search for issues based on specific labels. For instance, if you're looking to identify all issues tagged with the label new, you would use the query labels equals new. This functionality is beneficial for generating reports or filtering lists of issues to show only those relevant to your current focus. If you need to remove a label from an issue, simply click the small X button located next to the label. It is a straightforward process that allows you to easily update the issue's labeling as tasks evolve or priorities shift. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create and use labels in Jira. With labels, managing and categorizing your projects becomes more streamlined, allowing you and your team to track progress more efficiently. Remember, keeping your labels consistent and well organized is key to leveraging their full potential. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips help enhance your productivity in Jira.